Hi everyone, today I will show you how to crop an image in Figma. So if you, for example, we will use this image, and for example, if you want to crop this sky, what you can do is you need to click Control on your keyboard and you need to use your mouse. So right click and you need to go, so for example, if you want to remove the sky, we click on this top border and we just go down to the bottom. And that's how we crop it. For example, if we want to remove this right side, we click Control and use our mouse, and that's it. Or for example, if you want to go from this side, you can also do that, or you can move around and play with it. But if we don't use Control, if we only use our mouse, this is what will happen. We will mess up the resolution and frame of the image. So I will go back. But if we want to only change the size of the image, if we don't want to crop it, we need to click Shift and use our mouse. Now we can change the size of the image, and that's how you do it.